We want to travel.
And live.
Well, take him with y'all.
Miss
He's
Paul,
6
Miss Paul,
months
Miss Paul,
old.
Miss Paul.
Yes, ma'am.
Your parents came in here not to waste my time.
Thank you.
You obviously, with everything you're saying, is wasting my time because it's making 0 sense. 0. Do
Who's
you
the
know
daddy
how many
anyway?
parents have gone to school? Excuse me, I'm talking to you. Address me.
I'm sorry. Yes.
Do you know how many parents have gone to school and have raised minor children? It happens every day, every single day.
She entered court dreaming of travel and luxury, but the judge wasn't swayed. Excuses collapsed one by one under the gavel's weight. Parents raise kids daily, without running. Here, logic is lost. The tension spikes as the judge demands answers she can't avoid. What comes next will decide everything.
So you're not doing anything that's special. But since you're choosing this route, then your parents have to do what they have to do and make sure that you're at least financially supporting these children. Now, how much is it that you're making?
I make about $48,000
What?
a year. Here they go.
They didn't even know you were making this kind of money?
I mean,
Answer the
not
question.
one signing my
It's a
check.
yes or a no.
No,
You didn't tell your parents you're making this kind of money.
I didn't feel like I had to
Why would you feel like that?
because it's my name that's on the check and not.
The truth unravels. She earns $48,000 a year, a fact her parents never knew. Pressed, she insists the checks are in her name. But the judge won't entertain entitlement. Each question digs deeper, exposing hidden truths. The courtroom shifts, bracing for a revelation that will sting even harder.
You know what? Let me move over to your parents for
Okay.
1 second.
This little selfish little girl of ours. Oh my Lord.
What is this about? What type of relationship do you all have?
Well, we thought it was pretty good, but evidently it's worse off than I thought. I mean, we raised her to be a better person, but evidently she went off track somehow. But
Probably that year she went astray. That year
probably,
and a half.
yeah.
Okay.
She went astray for a year and a half
But
when
you're-
she was 16.
What I want to know is who's the father? I mean, what is the father doing? I mean,
You know, that is a good question, Mr.
mean-
Paul.
Focus shifts to her parents, their voices heavy with disappointment. They reveal how she drifted from the values they instilled. The judge cuts in sharply. Who is the father? Silence grips the room before shock begins to spread. The truth edges closer, and the answer could change everything in this tense standoff.
Where is this child's father?
Do you even know who
Probably
he
in
is?
Hawaii with his wife or something.
What?
Oh,
I mean,
Why?
he's married?
I said it was a mistake. I said it was a mistake.
Okay. Now
Don't call
it's
him
making
a
sense
mistake.
now.
Call what you did was a mistake, but the
Exactly.
baby is not a mistake.
exactly.
Okay.
The only
well, the mistake
boy
led
in the
to
family.
the baby, so kind of all sound like a mistake to me.
Okay,
But-
well, you know what? I'm not going to mistake these child support numbers once I give them to you, okay? Now, you said you make about $48,000 a year. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The father lives in Hawaii, married. The judge's tone sharpens. Her choices may be mistakes, but the baby is not. Then come the numbers. She earns $48,000 a year, and reality strikes hard. The gavel is poised. Judgment looms, and soon the figures will leave no room to hide.
All right, so that brings your gross to $4,000, making your net $3,356.08. Do you have any other children?
No,
Okay.
I don't know.
don't.
Mr. Paul, what was that?
Trust me, I don't, and I don't,
I don't
plan
know.
on it.
She may have some more that we don't know about. So
Okay. Well, hopefully, if that's the case, you all do not have to take those kids in either.
thank you, Your Honor.
Miss Paul, I mean, this is ridiculous. You left that baby with your parents, do not provide any financial support, and then have the audacity not even to tell your parents how much money you're making.
The math unfolds: gross income, net income, and her parents' disbelief. The judge calls out the absurdity, earning thousands yet leaving her baby with grandparents and giving no support. Tension builds as numbers tighten the noose. A child support figure is coming, one that will change her world forever.
That's just wrong.
I didn't even think that I had to tell them how much money comes into
No.
my account.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Really?
You're wrong, and I'm not going to sit up here and play like you're not. I'm telling you to your face, you're wrong. So, net is $3,356.08. Who can? Never mind. How much is health insurance for this baby?
What?
It's like 250.
250, yeah, 250.
For the baby alone?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So we're also gonna make you reimburse health insurance of $250.
Excuse me?
That did you not hear me? You want me to say it a little louder? It's $250 for a health insurance reimbursement.
She resists, insisting her income isn't for debate. The judge shuts her down, calling her out directly. Another $250 for health insurance gets added on. Piece by piece, the total climbs higher. The gavel is near, and the final number waiting will leave her stunned.
Okay, plus your child support obligation of $671.
Yes.
That brings monthly child support to $921.
Okay, well, if I gotta pay that, I'm not coming around. Like,
And you know what?
You're either gonna get
And
child
you know
support or
what?
time.
I missed something. Because your parents asked for back pay.
Hello?
Back
They asked for back pay since the baby has been living with them. That comes out to $5,526, and I'm going to have you reimbursed.
The ruling hits hard, $1, $0.21 a month plus back pay. Shock flashes across her face, but the judge is firm. Choices carry consequences. The courtroom grows heavy as reality sinks in. She owes her parents for stepping up. The truth is undeniable, and the drama isn't over yet.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're
Even
welcome.
though I was coming to visit him and stuff, like,
Even though
Visit.
you were coming to
Yes.
visit, you just said something key. You said visit. You're the parent. They should be visiting,
Hello.
not the other way around. They've raised you and your sister. It's not their responsibility to raise your child. So since they have chosen to take on that responsibility, you're going to be responsible for the financial side. Is there anything further?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything further, Mr. and Mrs. Harrell? I'm sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Paul. I called you by your first name,
Yes,
Mr.
yes,
Paul.
that's okay. That's okay. Anything else, baby?
She claims she visited her child, but the judge cuts in parents visit, not the other way around. This isn't her parents' duty. They've sacrificed enough. Now it's her turn to step up financially. Each word sinks deeper, but the rising tension shows this battle isn't over.
Well, let's take what we can get because anything else?
Okay. No, I think
Want
that's
my
it.
money.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am?
Yes, I'm sorry. Excuse me when you get done.
Yes, ma'am. Was there something else you needed to
No,
let me know?
ma'am.
Okay. I heard you mumble a little bit. I didn't know if you had something else to say.
I had something in my throat.
Oh, okay.
I bet you did.
Mrs. Paul. Mr. Paul, that's inappropriate.
Oh,
Mrs.
I'm sorry.
Paul.
I'm sorry.
We just need to make sure we need to set up visitation schedule because she does need to take care of them.
Yes, she does.
When we travel.
A whispered remark ignites a clash. The judge shuts it down. No disrespect allowed. Visitation surfaces, but the reality is harsh. Presence can't be forced. The court's focus stays on money, not love. The fracture is clear, and with one final ruling ahead, everything hangs in balance.
Well, here's the deal. Legally, you can't force her to do that, okay? The only thing you all can do is, make sure you maintain your custody, right? And she can see the baby, but that's going to depend on what she wants to do. If she doesn't want to visit the child, I can't make her do that, but I can make her pay.
Well, we'll rather take something instead of nothing.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.